The greatest test any man can ever be subjected to is to do nothing about something you can do something about. That's the greatest test on earth. You are called to do nothing when in actuality you can do something. Your power is tested. Your self-control is called to question. You are expected to keep your hands to yourself when you can stretch them out. You are expected to control your tongue when you can let it run riot. You are expected to act as if your wife said nothing insulting to you when in actuality she did. And God wants you to do nothing. You are expected to act as if your husband didn't do anything hateful to you, and yet he did. But Christianity and the Christ in you demands that you do nothing about something you can do something about. That kind of a temptation is a difficult one. For you to act as if you are not powerful when you are in actuality powerful. Act as if you are powerless when you are powerful. Act as if you are weak when you are strong. That's the kind of a test that Christians are subjected to. We win through weakness.